Should I draw if I have no talent? The question you should actually be asking yourself is, why not? We usually get to this question when we put so much effort into it and we get to a point that we think we should be farther than what we are, but we haven't reached it yet. We compare ourselves to others that have been doing it longer, or maybe they do have talent, but what does it really matter? Don't do it because you seek to be the best person at it in the world compared to other people. Many times it's better to just do it because you enjoy it, as an escape from things. Because I always did it as an escape from the things that were going on around me in life. And growing up, I didn't really have very many people in my life that I could talk to or connect with. And I used creating art as an escape. And you can apply that to other areas of your life, not just drawing. If there's ever something you want to do, if you just keep trying and you believe in yourself, you'll get much farther than if you just give up and quit. And other people's opinions shouldn't matter so much to you. We're told that we can't be something or do something because of where we are right now in life. But other people don't know everything about you. And who you are as a person, you don't have to explain yourself to them because it's your life and you can do what you want. So if you get to the point where you're asking yourself, should I continue drawing if I don't have any talent? You should stop thinking of it as a comparison. Don't compare yourself to other people. Just compare yourself to who you were yesterday or a year ago. For example, if you start drawing, practice for 30 days. See how much you improve in that time and look back on that. And then if you were to see yourself 30 days ago, how you are now, and to see that person, and now if you imagine that person that you are then as a completely different person, and you looked at that person and you said, hey, I can never be that talented. Well, you haven't put the work in yet. And I think a lot of people don't realize how much work it takes to get to where they want in life. Especially for me when I was doing drawing when I was younger. And I've learned that the more that I've drawn and I keep practicing, I improve. It might be slight, and it might be a very small amount, but all that matters to me is that I'm trying and that I enjoy it. Because I never really had anything else that took my mind off of everything that I could just escape to and do and enjoy. And the one thing I did have outside of drawing that was like that, I had taken from me. So I had to go back to doing what I really loved doing when I was a child. And for me, it took a long time to discover what that was. A lot of times, the things that we're meant to do in life, or the things that we actually have talent at, and we never realize it, it's not something that's just going to scream at you and say, this is what you are to be. It's often the thing that you never even think of, or things to listen to. And just be yourself. Do what you enjoy, and don't worry about other people's negative criticism. And positive thinking will have a really good impact on that. Just think positive. You'll get very far. when your mind is just filled with negative thoughts and all you're thinking of is, hey, I can't do this, hey, I can't do that, I can't be as good as this person because they're talented, or I can't focus that long to do this because I have this disorder, or I have this problem. Stop making excuses of why you can't do something and use your excuse as a reason to do it. Because my excuse wasn't to give up because I had problems or because I didn't have talent. I used that motivation and that anger to push myself. And I think you should do the same. Never give up.